Hello friends, today I will show you how to make your PC or laptop welcome you with the audio message. We are fascinated by the movies in which certain computer system like PC or laptop greets their users or owners with their names or the specific welcome audio message. Likewise, we would certainly love to have one of those computer uttering our name or with the welcome message of our choice. If you are willing to configure your PC or laptop in this fashion, then see this video and please subscribe this channel. If you interested this video, then please comment me and share this video. For this, you don't have install any additional software or hardware to make this trick to work at your end. Then only thing you need to have on your system is the notepad. Click on start menu and press Win R, open run menu and try notepad. Next, okay, then open notepad view. Next, we copy this code and paste your notepad. Next, put your name here. And this code are given my description box. Any problem, then comment me. Click on file menu and save as. Then select all type in save as type option and save the file as all file option and save the file as welcome. .vbs. It is a very important of district. .vbs is very important. Please noted that. And then next, save it. Okay. Next, you are open your C drive and follow me. Open user. Next, open your username and next open apps data and next open roaming Microsoft and next Windows start menu program and last startup. If your system is XP, then open this link in your C drive, and if your system is Windows 10, 8 and 7 or Windows Vista, then open this link in your C drive. These links are given my description box. And the best very easy to way is open the run window and copy the cell the colon startup and paste here and next OK. Then automatically open this link. See user or username apps data roaming Microsoft Windows startup menu program startup automatically open and then creating your notepad file .vbs file paste here